The Lama Library has thousands of books, ebooks, and journals that are available for you to use as students of Kapi'olani Community College. To search the library, first start at the library website and look for a search box called Search the Library and Beyond. If you do a search, you'll likely come across books, journal articles, and sometimes videos. This book is available and is located on the second floor of the library in the general collection. This book is available online, meaning that it's an ebook that you can open instantly and read on your computer. This book is not available at our campus, but you're able to request to have the book transferred to our campus for you to pick up. To request a transfer, first sign into your library account, select Another Library, select Request Specific Copy, then fill out the form. You should receive an email notification in about a week when your book is ready to pick up. If you don't see any good search results, there are 2 strategies to use to get better results. Strategy number 1, filter your results. Notice on the left side of the screen there are ways to limit your results. If you only want recent resources, change the publication date range. If you're only looking for books, select Books under Resource Type. If you're only looking for ebooks, select Online Format under Availability. Strategy number 2, change your search terms. Try a variety of different searches with different words. You could go broader with your search or more specific. As you read more about your topic, you might come across additional vocabulary that you can use as your search. Now that you've learned the basics of searching the library, give it a shot. Contact a librarian if you have any questions or if you need help with searching. Good luck with your research!